In this short presentation, you will see a preview of the new BI360 integration to Power BI. In this diagram, you can see an example of different data sources at the bottom of the screen, such as your payroll system, your ERP system, and maybe other applications you have in the cloud. With BI360 Cloud running on Microsoft SQL Azure, you have a data warehouse where you can bring in all of this data and combine it to a single data source. On top of there, you can use BI360's report writer for highly formatted financial consolidation and operational reports. You can use BI360's budgeting and forecasting module to capture the data entry of budgets and forecasts with advanced workflow to manage all of the users in that process. And with the new integration to Power BI, you can easily and quickly connect Power BI Desktop to the BI360 Cloud Data Warehouse to create advanced dashboards. Let's take a look. Here we're in the BI360 Cloud web portal. We're going to assume that you've already set up BI360 and all you want to do is connect Power BI. So the first step is very simple. You go into the data warehouse and here you see a sample set of modules in the BI360 data warehouse. So you go to configuration and then the new API. All you need to do here is enable the API and then select the modules that you want to expose to the API. In this case, I want to bring in my revenue data to Power BI, so we select that. And then we say save. Next thing we need to do is to go into Power BI Desktop. And here we are. And then we need to install the new Power BI to BI360 connector. So we come to Home, Get Data, More, and then we can search for BI360's connector. There it is. Click Connect. And the first thing it will ask us for is the URL so it can connect to the BI360 Cloud portal. And we find that right here inside of BI360. And we can paste that in. Right, it's connecting successfully. And then we'll copy in the API access token, also from the BI360 portal. There it is. Copy that in and click Connect. And now Power BI Desktop is looking at BI360 Cloud and its data warehouse, and it's seeing the dimensions and data in the revenue module that we exposed. And we can choose what we want to work with in Power BI, such as customer dimension, product dimension, and our revenue data. And then we can click Load. And what Power BI is doing now is talking to the BI360 Cloud, and it's loading the customers, the products, and the revenue data. And that looks good. And then we can build a quick dashboard just to check out this data we just loaded. Let's, for example, do a map like this. And for that map, let's choose our amount. Let's choose the customer description and the zip code. And there we are. We're now already looking at the data that came from BI360 just a few minutes ago. We can see the customers and the amounts that they purchased for. Let's just do a couple of more quick things. Let's use the natural language query in Power BI to build a couple of more charts. For example, here let's put the top 5 customers like that. And up here, let's do the same thing again using the natural query language. And let's put the top 10 products, for example. And there we go. And I think we're done. Let's see if this data is already automatically connected. So if we click on a particular product, we can see that both the customers that have purchased that product filters and also the products on the map. And if we click on a particular customer, you can see it zooms directly in on that customer. So that was it for this quick little demo that shows how easy it is to now connect Power BI to BI360. And finally, you can take a look at one of the firms, G2 Crowd, that is rating applications. And here you can see the very clear synergy between BI360 and Power BI. As a matter of fact, both products are leaders in their respective G2 Crowd quadrants. On the left side, you see BI360 rated as a leader in the corporate performance management quadrant. And on the right side, you can see Power BI rated as a leader in the business intelligence quadrant. In other words, with BI360 for Power BI, you get the best of both worlds. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@solverglobal.com.